Hello guys, welcome to Tech with Rohit. In this video, I will be talking about how you can download the torrent files in your Android phone. But before starting with the video, I want to request you all to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's move towards my mobile screen, and there I will show you how you can download the app and use your torrent link to download the files in your Android. Okay guys, I have successfully switched to my mobile screen. To download the torrent files, we are going to download one app called Flood. You can see on my screen, I have this app called Flood. We are going to use this app to download the torrent files. But before, I will show you how you can download the torrent file. Okay, simply head towards your Google Play Store and in the search bar type torrent, or you can directly type the name of the app. Scroll down little bit. You can see the third result, Fluid, in a light blue color is our targeted app. Okay, I have pre-installed it. I will just show you the overview of this app. Okay, this app has 10 million plus download, rated for 4.5, and the size of the app is around 2.5 MB. Okay, this app has very less bugs and it very useful for low. This app is suitable for all types of processors. Okay, let's open this app. As you can see the interface of this app, if you want to create or have a torrent file, you can add it from here plus and just head towards your torrent file, or you have a link and want to download that app. I have created a video before where I have shown you how you can download or convert the torrent link to a direct torrent link. You can watch that video. I will give the link in the description. Now talking about the app, this app has very simple interface. The home screen is all. Queued means if you have any pending downloads, and finished means the torrents which are finished. If you want to add a torrent, click on this magnet type icon and paste the link here and press OK. The download will start automatically, and when finished it will be giving you a message that torrent file has downloaded successfully. Okay, basically torrent files are to download movies, but I cannot show you how you can download the movies due to a copyright reason. But I will make an blog where I will show you how you can download the torrent link. To go to my blog, you can search Tech with Rohit on Google, or I will give the direct link in the description. So this was all about this app. If you love this video, like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. I will be back with another new video. Till then, bye.